Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are soaring high with creativity as we draw a colorful kite together. Grab your paper and pencils because we are about to create a masterpiece that will take flight on your canvas. Start with the kite's basic shape. A simple diamond, it's the canvas of the sky. Add a line for the string. Imagine the wind gently tugging at it, making the kite dance in the air. Now, let's bring our kite to life with some bold, vibrant colors. What shades will adorn your flying creation? Feel free to experiment with patterns and designs on the kite's surface. Stripes, polka dots, or even a mini art gallery. Define the tail with flowing lines. This is where you can get creative. Long, short, or a combination of both. Consider adding bows or ribbons to the tail for an extra touch of whimsy. For digital artists, layering colors and textures can create a realistic and dynamic look. Discuss the importance of perspective. Talk about the symbolism of kites, freedom, joy, and the simple pleasures of life. Consider adding a fluffy cloud-filled background to set the scene for your flying masterpiece. Engage with your viewers, words their favorite memory related to flying kites. Highlight the meditative aspect for the during process. It's all part of the artistic journey. Encourage your audience to share their kite drawings on social media with a unique hashtag. Share a quick tip for beginners, maybe easy way to draw a realistic looking sky. Express graduate for the support of your viewers. Showcase a close up for the details. Thank you so much for watching this video.